So we are going to try to do a little pull on our corner here. I've got my plate welded in right there, and hopefully it works.
There you go, now you're doing something.
This I'm keen to you. The problem is I didn't pull it out enough.
Oh, is that why there's like a gap there?
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense.
That's the problem.
So what are you gonna do, pull it out?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. It's either that or just give up.
As much as you possibly
Say it like what you really mean. You'd rather have me do this than do what Paul's doing.
Buddy, I ain't watching, I'm operating, okay? Once you get it right.
There's just no way to pull it.
Esquece, esses dois anos batendo agora. Drugi wariant to jest computer powiedzieć.
Ano da. Kasi ano is shop ka naman din nila.
Ay, tatay ang machine yun eh.
Yes.
You cheat ang machine?
No.
Hold on.
Я читаю.
Lift up on the door. Up. Are you gonna be able to put this piece on? just finished up welding all the little seams and all the little holes. And look at that tail light, man. That thing is just, you know what? Honestly, if you look at this right here, right? And then you look at the other side. My side looks better.
Does it?
Yeah. Look. My side fits better. Or is it supposed to be gapped?
I don't know, man.
It might be. It might. Here she comes. Here she comes. There she goes. All right. That's right. On-demand scrap collection. Where are you at? What are you doing? But yeah, it looks super good. I don't know, man. I don't know if it's supposed to be flush or not, but I'm just used to making stuff fit. You know what I'm saying? I make sure it's tight when it's going in there. But it looks really super good. And I actually just read a comment where someone said, hey, you should have ran it right along the body line. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, that was probably a much better idea than what I did here. The only reason I did it like this is because, I don't even know why I did it like this, but this was all kind of already bowed in and messed up. You couldn't really see it because it's white, and you know, white makes it right. Somebody did say something to me about cutting it here. I read a comment that said, why didn't I do that? That actually would have been the better idea. So you, sir, have a job at 23rd at any time you want. That way you can be here and make sure I don't do something that I shouldn't do before I do it. How about that? I don't know, I don't remember who it was that commented, but there was a comment that said I should have cut it right along this line. That's actually really smart, guys, because I wouldn't have a problem with it bowing and flexing right here. And I should have done it that way. I don't even know why I didn't do it that way. But it's done now and it looks great, and it's not even that bad, man. Like, what are you gonna be doing? Shooting a laser at it or something? This is freaking work, man. It's gonna be loaded down with tile and mortar and thin set and all kinds of stuff. But it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. And Vlad's really happy with it. He was actually telling me like, hey man, don't do that much. Don't do this, that. You know, he was trying to like tell me not to do as much. But you know me, I gotta do it right because you guys are watching and I'm trying to give you guys quality content. So yeah, he's gonna come in tomorrow. He was actually here today for a little bit. He's gonna come in, he's gonna grind everything down, you know, put some Bondo on it, smooth it all out, and we'll get it ready for paint. Hopefully he can get all the body work done, and then we'll move on to removing all the graphics. And the cool thing is I can't wait to show you guys this. I really hope we're here when this happens. The guy that actually sold us this property right here, before there was even a building on this property, he owned that building across the street. And what he used to do, well, he still does it, but he moved. He takes off all the graphics off of anything with a specialized proprietary machine that he himself invented and holds a patent to, which is absolutely insane because he sends these machines out all over the United States, and it's a sealed unit. It looks just like this kegerator right here. And it's all stainless steel solid, and you can't open it. Like, there's no seams, there's nothing, and if it breaks, you have to send it back to them, which is super cool. I guess it's like a trade secret. Whatever's inside there is probably little leprechauns in there blowing steam out or something. But it's gonna take all these decals off this entire van in like 30 seconds without damaging the paint, without any kind of work or anything. It's just gonna peel everything off. Guys, it is time for us to go home, and that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that little like button and hit that subscribe button. Which side's it on, Nate? This side?
I think so.
I think it's on that side. I'm pointing right at it. Look, pointing right at the subscribe button. I'm gonna click it for you. Boom, there, done. I hope you clicked it. But that's gonna be it. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.